Good day everyone, you are welcome to GeoGI Solution. In this Google Earth Engine tutorial for beginners, I want to show you how to collect or fetch Landsat image. The tutorial outline include how to specify your study area. I will also show you how to search for Landsat image, and then I will demonstrate how to filter your image and how to visualize the Landsat image. I will take it step by step so that at the end of this video you'll be able to do the same. The code for this exercise is also left in the description box of this video so that you can make use of it. So let's get started. Open your browser and open Google Earth Engine. Then come to platform and click on code editor. When it opens, the first thing is to locate your study area. So you can easily do that by panning the map to your study location. For example, I want to use a specific location in Nigeria, so I'll zoom in to that very location. I want to use this area called Okene, so I'll zoom in to that place. Then I'm going to draw a box on this very location to specify it. So I'll click on draw box and draw a box on the study area. So immediately it will capture it in the script as geometry. So let me rename it to the name I prefer. So I will name it Okene. Immediately I do that, you can see it has captured that location. Then the next thing is to search for your Landsat. So just come to this search box and search for Landsat 8 for instance. Then I want to use this Landsat 8 collection 2 tier 1. So I'll click on it. It will display information and the description of the Landsat, so you can go through it. To add it to the script, click on import. When I click on import, you can see it has been added as image collection. Then the next line, I'll define a variable called let me name it image, and it will be equal to the ee.image collection. Then the next line, I want to filter by dates, so filter dates, and the date I want to input is January 1st 2024 to December 1st 2024. Then the next line, I want to filter by bounds, so filter bounds, and that will be my study area, and my study area I've named it as Okene, so I will input Okene here. Then the next line, sort, I want to sort it by cloud cover, so I'll input cloud cover here. Yes. The next line will be first image, so I'll input the first image. Then I'll close the function by closing the bracket and semicolon. Then after that, I want to print, so it will be print image 2024, or just give it a name, print image 2020-2024, and click on run. So when I run it, yes, you can see the image. Here is the Landsat 8 for that very specific location. If I expand it, you can see it here. Let me draw this down. You can see the Landsat 8 image for that location, and then you can see the ID, the type, and you can see the version as well. Then for the bands, if I expand it, you can see band 1, band 2, up to band 11. So you can see informations about the image. Then if I come to the properties and expand it, you can see properties of the image. The cloud cover is 0.78, and you can see the date of acquisition. Then you can see the datum. If I scroll down, you see a lot of information about the image. Yes. So let's continue. The next thing we want to do is to define the visualization parameters. So how do we want to visualize it? Let's define the parameters. So to do that, I'll go to the next line. Then I'll define my variable. So I'll name it variable with params, that is visualization parameters, and it will be equal to open bracket, then the next line, the bands I want to visualize. So I want to visualize band 4, band 3, band 2, and of course we can change this band combination later. So I've input this band. Then I want to define the minimum. So this is not actually compulsory, but the minimum value, let me put 7482. Then the maximum, it will be 10874. This is not mandatory. Then the gamma, let's say 1.4. Then let's close the function. After that, we want to add the image to map, and to do that I'll enter these functions. Let me scroll down. I'll enter this function, map.addLayer, map.addLayer, image, comma with parameter, that is visualization parameters, and it will be named image 2024. So after I've entered this function, click on run, and yes, here is it. You can see it. Let me adjust this place, and I can zoom out a bit. Yes, this is the image that covers the area. And if I come here, let's come to layer and click on this settings icon. Then come to costume and then choose 100% strength and click on apply. Yes, here you can see the composites, that is band 4, band 3, band 2 composite. You can see it here for this very area. Then I can adjust the band. Let's say band 5, band 4, and band 3. Then click on apply, and here is the band composite for this image. So you can see the image, that is Landsat image for this very location for the specific time inputs. So the code for this very exercise is in the description box. So I will stop here so that it will not be too much. So in the next video, I'll show you how to download your Landsat image. But this is how to fetch or search for Landsat image in Google Earth Engine. Thank you for watching.